Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Matt, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of a man crate. If you didn't know, today is probably the most important holiday in world history, okay? And what day is that? It's my birthday. Hey, before we break this box open, I want to say thanks for watching the video, all right? The reason I'm making this video is, one, I am going to show you what a man crate entails. I'm going to practice my video editing skills, and I want to say thank you to my siblings who sent me this as a gift. So thanks for this. Thanks for this gift. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's open this and see what's inside. Okay, so this is the exterior of the box. Let's see here. Check it out. At least one person out of 7.4 billion thinks you are great. There are probably more. That's awesome. Thanks a lot, guys. Super cool card. Oh, all right. So you can see when you first open, this thing is just full. This is the, you can see here, this is the DIY microbrew kit. Oh man, this is going to be awesome. If you didn't know, I've always wanted to make beer, and I love beer. I love the taste of it. I can't drink so much, or I don't try and drink so much, but I love the taste of beer, and it's going to be awesome to try and make something like this. So thanks a lot. I'm pretty excited. Let's see what else is in this box. Got some bottle caps, some tubing, some hoses. I'm assuming these are going to be essential for this process. Some packing material. I don't know what all this stuff is. I'm just going to pretty much take it all out, but cleanser of some sort. That's interesting. I'm assuming that's a bottle. Oh, this is a bottle capper. Some sort of cork. Northern Brewer Home Brew Supply. That's pretty sweet. Tubes and hoses and tubes. All right, it's packed really nice. You can see it has a bunch of safety material. Check this out. So this is a lot of stuff. Okay, let's open this up. This is a little big mouth bubbler. So this is the bubbler. This is where I'm going to be making the beer. This is 1.4 gallons. says this fermenter is a large hand-formed glass vessel. We strongly recommend using a carrying harness for increased stability and ease of handling. Okay, cool. Northern Homebrew Supply. All right. So some fizz drops. It's like candy, maybe, probably not. But. Pilsen Light. This is malted barley and water. I don't see any water in here, but that's what it says the ingredients are. This is a malt extract syrup. Premium hops. Some active yeast. And it looks like some directions. This is some chemistry set, which is pretty cool. Yeah. So a bunch of literature about this. Shows really cool how-to in, looks like 6 steps. And the last step is enjoying, and I can't wait to do this. I'm going to see how long this takes. I might start today if this is a short process. But if this is going to take more than a month or two, I'm going to have to wait till I get back because I have a long trip planned. So, yeah. This is pretty awesome. All right, let's set this up a little bit so you can see everything that comes in it. I don't even know what half of this stuff is, but after reading the instructions, for sure I will. All right, everyone, so this is the homebrew kit from A Man Crate. I just read the directions a little bit, and it looks like I'll be able to brew, bottle, and enjoy in about a month's time. Now, obviously, that's going to take, it's going to be different depending on the temperatures or where you're at in the world. But it looks like here I should be able to start a brew today, and in 1 month's time, so right around New Year's, I should be able to enjoy my home brew. So I'm going to check it out. I'm going to read the directions again because this is a lengthy process, and I'm not much of a zoologist or microbiologist. So we're going to see how this works. I'm going to do a little bit more research before I start this, but I'm pretty excited. Again, thanks a lot for this. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, it means a lot, especially being over here in Italy, not being able to see you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Take it easy. We'll see you later.